Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the cooling fan motor in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the front vent. You can use a putty knife to help pry off the vent. Next, unthread the screws securing the control assembly. Lift the control assembly up to detach. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the control board, then disconnect them to fully remove the assembly. Detach the fan motor wires. Unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the fan motor. Reach into the housing to hold the fan blade as you pull the old motor free. Make sure the fan blade stays accessible. Install the new cooling fan motor by aligning the fan blade on the motor shaft as you position the motor on the housing. Thread the mounting screws. Attach the wires to the terminals. Reinstall the control assembly by inserting the assembly tabs into the slots in the microwave oven frame. Then connect all of the control board wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Align the assembly and push down. Thread the screw. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make this easier. Reinstall the front vent by aligning the top edge first, then press the bottom edge into place. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.